life, and wherever it takes me, I'm down for the ride. Baby, don't you know I'm good? Yeah, I'm feeling alright. 'Cause I'm good, yeah, I'm feeling alright. Baby, I'ma have the best fucking night of my life, and wherever it takes me, I'm down for the ride. Baby, don't you know I'm good? Yeah, I'm feeling alright. Don't you know I'm good? Yeah, I'm feeling alright. You know I'm down for whatever tonight. I don't need the final things in life. No matter where I go, it's a good time. Yeah. And I don't need to sit in VIP. Middle of the floor, that's where I'll be. Don't got a lot, but that's enough for me. Yeah. 'Cause I'm good, yeah, I'm feeling alright. Baby, I'ma have the best fucking night of my life, and wherever it takes me, I'm down for the ride. Baby, don't you know I'm good? Yeah, I'm feeling alright.
Naaalala ko pa dati nung wala ka. Nararamdasan ko na lamang sumaya kapag kasama ang barkada. Akala ko yung puso ko di nagagana. Buti na lang ay dumating ka doon, nagsimulang magkaroon ng pag-asa. Nagkaroon ako ng gana sa buhay ko, nakala ko wala nang tsansang makadama ng pag-ibig. Buti na lang tinupad ang mga sana. Nung una ay hindi ko inakalang may tulad mo pala. Di pa rin ako makapaniwala. Ngayon ko palang nadama to, na ganito pala kasi ito yung buhay ko na may kagaya mo. Kasi dati naman ay sanay ako, mahalaga lang ay buhay ako. Nung kala ko walang kagaya mo, pero mali. Buti na lang talaga ay wala akong ibang inasam. Buti na lang di ako nainip sa Tagalaga ba. Buti na lang talaga ay wala akong ibang minahal. Buti na lang. Oh, buti na lang talaga ay wala akong ibang dinasal. Buti na lang dumating ka na ang masasabi ko lang. Buti na lang talaga ay wala akong ibang minahal. Tanging ikaw lang. Sa buhay ko'y walang kaplano-plano. Wala akong pakialam sa darating na bukas sa akin kung paano. Pero dahil sa'yo ang dami nang nabago. Buti na lang ay dumating ka, sa'yo ko unang naramdamang manalo. Kaya kompleto na ako basta andyan ka. Wala na akong dapat ipag-alala. Yung mundong malala ay naging mahiwaga bigla no nakilala kita. Kaya sa'yo ay gusto kong magpasalamat, kahit di kita natagpuan kaagad. Ang pag-ibig ay di pala hinahanap, kailangan lang ay mag-abang ka dapat. Ngayon ko palang nadama to, na ganito pala kasi ito yung buhay ko na may kagaya mo. Kasi dati naman ay sanay ako, mahalaga lang ay buhay ako. Nung kala ko walang kagaya mo, pero mali. Buti na lang talaga ay wala akong ibang inasam. Buti na lang di ako nainip sa Tagalaga ba.
So my favorite person, happy birthday. This is my boyfriend. I love him so much. He makes my world as if everything is fine. He is the only person who always there for me after my parents. He is my second home. And for you, thank you for all that you do. You mean the world to me. I love loving with you. Thank you for giving me a place to feel safe. Thank you for allowing me to express my emotions and never judging me for them. Thank you for supporting me. And finally, thank you for just being you.
Happy 35th birthday, Lance! Praying for more blessings sa'yo, sa inyo ni Jeka and sa family mo. Enjoy your day today.
Nya nga ipakat, happy birthday. 35 ka na. 5 years na lang, 40 na tayo. Enjoy your day. Shot mo ko dyan. Cheers.
Happy birthday, Tito Lance! Kamusta dyan?
Pakyaw mo si Lance.
Happy
Happy birthday, Lance!
Happy birthday!
Enjoy! Pag nalasing si Kelvin, videohan nyo sa videohan nyo pag natulog sa kanal.
Para may remembrance ulit.
O kaya pag nadulas ulit si Maymong sa dance floor.
Ayun! Saan ang ganap? Magbabar ba kayo? O sa sa inuman sa bahay? Cheers
Mga
muna
bagyo.
kami!
Ayun na, enjoy! Happy birthday ulit!
See you soon! Sana
Debo?
makauwi!
Dibo!
Hi Pards! Happy birthday Gayam! Happy birthday! Ano sasabihin ko? Hindi ko alam sasabihin ko. Basta, happy birthday and wish you all the best and ituloy-tuloy mo lang yan pagiging CEO mo. Yayaman at yayaman ka palalo. Ifakat mo lang ng ifakat, okay? And basta, go lang sa kung anong planong sa buhay. We're here for you. You know naman that. Kahit ganito, kahit lagi kang angry face sa mga pinopost ko. Diba, friends tayo? Basta yun. Alam mo na yun. See you this December. Kayong lahat dyan. See you all. Happy birthday again. And sana ma-enjoy mo tong araw na to together with your loved ones and your friends and your family. God bless. Happy birthday.
Hey! What's up, Lance? Happy birthday, my friend. Wishing you all the best. Happy birthday. Enjoy mo yung araw mo. Alak, party, walwal. Pero soon gagawin natin yan. See you soon, man.
Hello to my Filingero, not so puggy brother. Happy 90th birthday to you. Just kidding. From our magkaaway era to a very close siblings. I don't know what to say kasi alam mo naman that we are not so expressive about our feelings, about our emotions. But then again, I need to do this for your special day requested by someone. So yeah, thank you so much. I know before na di ka expressive sa akin, but then I can see that you always support me. You're very proud of me, and I'm very happy to be your brother. I'm very happy that you're my brother, I should say. And you're very kind to Liam, to me, and to Sean, especially Sean. And you're very supportive to whoever you love. Independent right now, so I'm very proud of you. Kung sino ka na ngayon, I know that you work hard for that, and I know the future will really be good to you. So yeah, I would like to say happy birthday to your special day. Enjoy, and more birthdays to come, and hope to see you soon, and love ya. Bye.